like that. Good. Awesome. Go back to your stomach. That moved. All right. So how often are your migraines?
Probably every other day.
Oh, way too many. Yeah, you're due for an adjustment. Let's see what you've got. Take a seat here. And I'm going to have you just extend your head back. Come back towards me. And do it again. Okay. So your occiput, which is how your head sits on top of the spine, goes into a right lateral flexion when you go into extension, and that will create migraines and headaches. So your occiput is out. I'll have you lay on your back, please. So low right, high left, like this. Good. Yeah, so that levels your head out. So like instead of your chin being over here, your chin is lined up right down the middle where it should be. That's very good. Feel a little something there too, don't you? I'm going to get that one. Good. And then I'm going to have you lift your right leg up in the air. Left one up as high as you can. Okay, good motion. That's good. Lay on your left hip, face me. All right. Awesome. Go back to your stomach. That moved really, really well. Let's just see what your leg length looks like now. Yeah, so that lines you up. Your leg length's good. Your motion was already good, so I don't need to retest that. That's good. Right there?
Yeah,
So,
just a little bit.
Yeah.
I went surfing for the first time the other day.
You went surfing for the first time? That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
But I imagine if it was the first time surfing, you had some wicked falls.
Only two, actually. I got
Only
up
two
on my
wicked
third
falls.
try.
Oh, that's impressive. I'm going to adjust you right here. And out, drop the shoulders. Good. You hanging in there?
Mm-hmm.
And another one here on that right side. Breathe in. That was good. An occipital lift where we're going to loosen up right where the muscles attach on the base of the skull. Just going to lift up. Go straight back. We're going to do that a few times in a row. Is that too hard?
No. I could feel it on that left side, right where your thumb is.
Did you have your headache? Was your headache over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Feels like it would have been.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we're going to go just straight up. So just doing a little light tractioning to stretch out the muscles that attach on the base of the skull. That always, when the occiput goes out, that's always super important. Okay, now look to your right and to your left. Does it feel tight one way or the other?
A little bit here when I lift my left, and then here when I lift my right.
So we're going to put some lotion there. I'm going to grab your left hand, and I'm going to ask you to turn left and go back to midline. Am I in the right place?
Mm-hmm.
And if I go too hard, let me know. Okay, try going left again.
That's a lot better.
Okay, good. Again, right. Back. Am I tracking on it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good. open once more. Good. Now turn to the right again.
Awesome.
Awesome. Looks really good range. All right. What else today?
I think that's really it. The only thing I was having trouble with last time was I had Haley check my ankle because I kind of sprained my ankle a little bit.
Oh, which ankle?
My right.
Yeah. So fibula, tibia. The talus sits in there. And when you have a sprained ankle, sometimes that talus can get kind of stuck. I'm going to do it's just a little stuck this direction.
Okay.
So I'm just going to do an adjustment to align that and to get it moving.
All right.
Roll to your stomach for that. Like that.